Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
At the stop sign, turn right onto West.
Pick up that Publix cake that Mom loves.
Oh my God.
Can't wait.
There's nothing like being together for the holidays. Publix is there for you.
What the f was that?
Tu forces en avance, on reste entre nous. Ne mélange pas. Les amis sont des bons comptes. Les ennemis sont compte. Je suis censé priver mon cher.
And then my dad specifically loved songwriters like John Denver, Tom Waits, Bruce Springsteen.
Piss me off, bro.
Continue on I-11 south for 7 miles.
Merry Christmas to any New Yorker listening. I've been helping to, you know, kind of see through what the hell is going on in New York City. So.
Okay, so how do you know, it's funny, Aaron Lewis is...
Kidding me? What are you doing? Fuck's sakes.
He just did not want to cooperate with me, and it's super tough with that insert to, because usually what we do is we mess with them from the bottom.
Oh, shit! Alright. Can you...
Yeah, I'm pulling over.
Okay.
It might be taller than Barnum, actually. I don't know, it's hard to tell.
Jeez, that van just cut that guy off. The car did.
The car did?
Yeah.
I heard about it, and I was like, I can't believe this all happened when I was a kid, and I had no idea that it even took place.
Oi.
So, do people understand what we're saying? Do people understand what we're saying is, we're pretty...
To go back to the historic 2009 NFL draft 15 years ago, Rich. 15 years ago, as we entered into the fourth round of the draft, when there was
I have all the respect in the world because I find him growing up. So true because.
You fucking idiot.
Current loop video is now locked.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.